medyo mainit ngayon guys ha, kaya bibilisan lang natin. Real quick lang, ika nga. So this is a 2017 Mobilio RS yan, top of the line, no? And if you're looking for a very, very sporty family car, this is the car for you. The 7-seater, Honda ito. So enough said, pare. Sika nga ng mga mahilig sa Civic, enough said. The Civic Honda is Honda. So this is the top of the line ng Mobilio, no? So 7-seater siya, nakataas lang. Let's start it. So push start siya since this is the top of the line version. So yung susi mo nakadangle lang sa ganyan, di ba? Yung ginagawa nila. Very cool. Okay, the mileage is also not bad, no? 57,000. So for a 9-year-old car, that's around 9,000 per year. 10,000 actually is optimal. Magandang mileage ang 10,000. 20 is good. Pero 10 is great. So this is even better than great, no? Aircon is okay. Lamig agad. Smell check. Very, very mabango ang car. Na-inspect na rin kasi ito a few days ago. So, we have the car checked as usual by the Spartans. Check the hood. No signs of collision. Check the engine. No signs of collision as well. No signs of major leaks. Actually, walang leaks. Maganda. When they sent the report of this car, na-impress ako, naalagaan ni Sir Mark yung car niya. And they're gonna buy a new car. So, we're gonna go inside, we're gonna pay, and we're done. So, ganun lang kabilis, no? So, kayo din, if you're looking to buy a brand new car, no? Whether it's a Honda, a Toyota, a Ford, a BYD, a Jetour, a Mazda, any brand, no? So, you can just call me, Code Agodarzio of All Cars. We're here to help. Or you can contact your agent doon sa dealership and ask them to call me kasi most likely partners din natin yan, like dito sa Ford Cainta and kanina sa Ford Marikina. So anyway, this is Code Agodarzio of All Cars. We're just gonna sign some more documents and we will be done. So if you wanna buy cars, wanna sell cars, this is Code Agodarzio of All Cars, your favorite car trader in Metro Manila. Have a nice day.
So ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Just come to All Cars, buy a car, sell a car, get a chance to win a Vios, and put your raffle coupon in our Magic Tambiolo. So punta na kayo sa All Cars, no mileage tampering, garantisado yan. Have a nice day, guys.